Okay, good morning. I just wanted to jump on here and give you examples of what a risk-off market looks like, because that's what's happening. That's what's been happening, quote unquote, since 9 or 10 p.m. EST last night, which would have been Monday, March 17th. So we started getting these headlines last night that Israel and the Palestinians, or Hamas in Gaza, they've been under a ceasefire agreement, and now it looks like that's no longer happening. They're back to war. Don't know how long that'll last, but what I want you to see is this right here, this trend line bounce. That's what time those headlines came out. Gold upside ever since. What's interesting is some of the currency markets. So gold almost always is a guaranteed. If you've got a risk-off market, gold's going to show it first. And it did. But now let's go look at like UJ. UJ sells off in a risk-off market. Well, that is happening this morning, looks like. But right here, somewhere right in here, no, hold on. Right here, so is actually when those headlines came out. So if you would have sold UJ or GJ, you'd have been in drawdown all night. So you have to wait for your technicals to match your fundamentals, but you knew it was going to have a sell-off eventually. If this war news didn't change, if they didn't go right back to the ceasefire agreement, if they didn't, whatever it may be. So GJ looked about the same. Let me find it. Yeah, it's having a little bit easier time selling off, but this somewhere, yeah, right in here was when those headlines came out. So this is not a reaction to the risk on off market. This isn't showing it yet. So that didn't really even start happening until really after London session, about 5 a.m. according to this. So one of the other currency pairs we could look at would be the chef, or Swiss franc, CHF. It's USD CHF. So right here was last night's headlines. It did sell off, but still came back till this morning, and now you've got this nice sell-off. What I do want you to see is something that's almost always guaranteed for a risk-off market is any of your equity or indices, NAS 100, US 30, QQQ, SPY, SPX, whatever you call them. They should all sold off. Yeah, that's a beautiful. So, and that didn't happen until market open this morning, 9:30 a.m. These headlines happened 9:30 p.m. last night, 10 p.m. So, and they probably all look that way. Yeah, US 30's on its way. SPX, yeah, gapped a little bit this morning even. Yeah. So, that's why it's important to know the difference between a risk on and risk off market. And I can make a different video explaining what risk assets are, what you buy during risky times, what you sell during risky times. I would also imagine Bitcoin would be down this morning. Yeah. Bitcoin reacts the same way as NAS, US 30, but I would say it's a risk-off asset, as in you sell it when shit hits the fan. So, most of these should have followed. Yeah. And they're right back into the zone, but could have caught that nice little sale. So yeah, if you want a video explaining what the difference is between risk on and risk off markets, let me know below and I will make that happen. But other than that, I hope all you traders have a great day.